So, now it's Monday morning and you know that you want to apply advanced work packaging, but where do you start? What does it really take to end up with every foreman holding a constraint-free installation work package every Monday morning? Let's begin this journey with the front-end activities that are captured in the AWP procedure. It starts with the assignment of an AWP champion, just like we do in safety or quality. We appoint somebody to steer the ship and be responsible for the application of the processes that will ultimately produce constraint-free installation work packages. As a member of the project management team, the AWP Champion is responsible to develop systems and processes that support the holistic logic of advanced work packaging, information management, and workface planning. One of the first tasks for the AWP Champion is to develop the AWP team, starting with the appointment of an information manager. It is the information manager who ultimately becomes responsible for applying the information management procedure that guides the generation and management of project data. The AWP Champion's next task is to develop AWP, IM, and WFP procedures that are fit for purpose and synchronized with the project. This creates a foundation that allows the procurement team to include the requirement for AWP in all of the project's contracts. This is the cornerstone of the entire process that will bite you if you don't get it right. Working together with the AWP Champion and the project team, the information manager will develop the work breakdown structure to support the elaboration and synchronization of scope, time, and cost. Once the key stakeholders have engaged, the AWP Champion will facilitate a path of construction workshop with the construction execution team that will identify the optimal path of construction. The sequence of construction represented by single discipline construction work packages can then be played back in 4D utilizing the workface planning software. This refines the process and establishes a common vision for development and execution. This creates a CWP release plan, which then develops into the Level 3 project schedule. The schedule identifies the sequence, contents, and timing of the engineering and procurement work packages that are required to support the CWP release plan. The engineering team is then responsible to create and deliver whole engineering work packages that satisfy the schedule and ultimately the requirements of construction work packages, measuring engineering deliverables from the ground up, just like real-life construction requires. The bill of materials from the engineering work packages is then used to develop fabrication and procurement packages, which, in turn, ensure that materials are fabricated and procured as complete packages, in the correct sequence. The creation and delivery of complete packages from engineering and procurement leads to the population of construction work packages with all of the drawings and materials required to execute the work.